Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some boho bob braids. I'm not going to do knotless. I don't prefer knotless on my hair. As you can see, I am natural. I blew my hair out so it can be a little bit more straight, and I really know like how far to bring the braids down. So I'm going to show you guys everything I'm about to use, and then we're going to get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this one that has been going viral. It is the Basque and Leather Edge Control. And I'm going to make sure I use this one camera because it is very, very good. The hold is very good. And I would say it's best not to put too much product because just as with most things, you know, you just don't want it to get that white cast. But it is really good. It holds for days. So I'm definitely going to be using this on my front. The other thing I'm going to use is this Shine and Jam. It's the red bottle, the magic fingers for braiders. Basically it's just for braids. I prefer Shine and Jam. I use them all the time. So I'll be using it mostly in the back. But like I said, when it's the front, when I want it to really lay down, Basque and Leather. Okay? And I am going to use, for the boho, I'm going to use synthetic hair. This is synthetic. It's from AliExpress, and to be honest, what I found is that whether it's human or whether it's synthetic, it never really lasts a long time. So I'd rather just do synthetic, and I can just take it out, replace it, or whatever I want to do pretty easy. So this came, it's actually two. And I got this for like $5, so this was a really good deal. And then this was like $4 a pack. And this is a shorter version of for braids. How many inches is this? 40. Sorry, y'all. And then I got it in the color 4. So hopefully this matches up with this pretty decently. I probably should have got like a 2 or a 1, but it's okay. So I got it. It's not that long. And the other thing is I wanted it a little bit longer than what I want the braid to be because I'm going to curl up the ends for the braids so that it also, like, it's just that curly look all the way around. And yeah. Okay, so I have gotten through one row. I kind of want to show y'all what it looks like. It's just one. I really do want to like braid it so y'all can see what it looks like. I'm gonna try to get a view of that because right now I still got a lot to do, and I need to set my camera up where you guys will be able to see it. But this is how it's coming out so far. Like I said, I'm tying the ends for each braid for when I curl them up. I know you see the difference in color, which is slightly aggy, but I guess it'll just be like a little you know, mix of color, a little brown and black, whatever. Like I said, I'm just trying this really to see if I like if I did it right. So whatever, I'll probably take it out after a couple weeks, maybe like 2-3 weeks. So wish me luck. It's looking good so far, and definitely that length of like a bob, like once I curl it up. And then I'm still gonna cut it and stuff, so it's looking good. I'm gonna show y'all probably, maybe when I get halfway, I'll be able to get like a really good angle and show y'all what's going on in the back. So just stay tuned. Just to show y'all, this is how I have to do my own parts. Like I get in the mirror, I have the camera, and I'm just like looking at everything, trying to make sure my parts are straight and whatnot. I hate when it is like too crazy. I know it's not going to be perfect because I'm doing it myself, but it needs to be a little bit closer than when you don't use like a mirror. So this is what I do. You don't have to do it this way. Okay, so I've finished the back of my head and now I'm gonna move to the front. By this point, I'm definitely already tired, but we still move. So I'm about to start on the front and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, it is day 2. Don't mind my hair. I finished the one side and I'm about to finish the front. I already finished the back. This is how it's looking so far. And it's still gonna look a little crazy until I do my ends, like curl the ends up. As you can see, what I figured out is that my hair is a little too long to do like the really short bob I wanted to do, but basically I'm gonna take it up to here and curl the ends once it's all done. So, you know, once you curl, it'll be like up to here. So it'll still be a bob, like more like a blunt cut bob. But yeah, so this is how it's looking so far. And I will say, this hair that I got, I don't think it's actually fully synthetic. It must be like a little blend. But this is what I do to take it, put it in. I put a little of the jam on the end to keep it together. So like, let me show you. This is how it comes. As you can see, it's like obviously not sticking together well. And now I'll just take a little bit of the jam and put it on the ends, and then it makes it stay. And then I'll like pre-do like 10 of them, do a couple braids, and then I'll you know, keep working on it. So the other thing I want to go over today and just show you is like how to tie the ends, like a little knot, because when you curl it, it's gonna all come together anyway. So I'm gonna show y'all that. So let me do this next braid over here and then I'll show you what it looks like. So right here, I just wanted to show you guys how to tie a knot in the braid. So I'm just looping it around the, like taking a little piece and looping it around the whole braid and then tying it in a knot. Because when you curl it, you're really not going to see it. But that's how I keep it and let it, you know, get it to stay basically. Okay, y'all. I am back and it is day 3. This is so ridiculous. It usually does not take me, well, I'm lying. It does take me a little bit. But like I could have did this, like this length in a day if it was like the weekend. But between school, work, and everything else, it's just really busy right now. So I am on my last 4 braids, and then like I said, I'm gonna curl the ends, cut it into like a blunt cut bob looking situation, and yeah. So far so good. Like I said, I'm not keeping this long, and I really just wanted to put these in to be able to go to the gym and stuff like that. Like it's been really hot this summer, so I really just don't have time for the wigs. But yeah, and really I'm just tired of paying people. I don't want to spend $300 knowing how I am, and I'll take it out in a heartbeat. Like I won't even think about it, just do it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's finished. I'm pleased. Like I said, next time the only thing I'll use the color 2 instead of 4, but that's gonna be fine for the 2 weeks, so I'm pretty sure. Okay, and then we're gonna be back in a minute. Okay guys, so I finished for the night. I curled the ends, and then I still have some set and mousse to put on the hair and everything like that. But yeah, so I did it kind of like a blunt cut, and then these are gonna loosen up for sure. But yeah, it's good for me for the summer and to be able to work out, and it's not too long. If I feel more comfortable, I really need to look at it and see where my hair is, but I really wanted the bob to be more like here, you know, like a little bit more short. But it's like a longer bob. I still like it. And then I'm gonna put this Shine and Jam Magic Fingers on it. I'll do it here. Now when you go through, you probably get a little hair because of course, you know, the way that you feed it in. So that's about it. And then I can show y'all how I styled it and everything, but yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any comments or any questions, definitely let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.